Hey friends, as we close out December 2022, we recall that we have been looking at how to make sound decisions, considering the what, why, how, and today, the when of it. The fact is, timing matters. The Bible says that God orders our steps. That means life unfolds through process, with one step leading to another, followed by another step that leads to yet another. The Bible also says that to everything there is a season, a right time, and a not so right time for everything we do. What's important to grasp here is that when we do what we do can make all the difference in whatever we are trying to do. Jump too early and those who need what we have will not be ready for us. Wait too long and your moment may have passed. Wisdom shows us the right time to move. A wise husband knows when to check on his wife. A wise mother knows when her son needs to talk. A wise manager knows when to crack down and when to lay off. Wisdom, that's the principal thing. I pray daily for impeccable timing in my life. I want to move when I should and stand still at just the right moment. In all things and at all times, I want to be in the center of God's will. Wisdom is the key. So, do you want to make sound decisions in 2023 and beyond? The what, why, how, and when of each decision makes a difference, and wisdom will lead the way. Have a blessed new year. We'll talk again soon. And on the way, make every day a God day.